Ramjane, uh, do you remember
Don't
any?
look at me.
I don't know, I used to keep saying, if I remember it right, I used to keep saying, hey, Salah, carry, idhar ko aa, and then I used to slap little kids. It's not a nice thing to say. But yeah, hey, Salah, nigga, nigga, something like that. I'm sorry, I don't remember that. I can change the dialogues, the song words into the dialogue. ये सलाह कहते हैं हमको लोग ग्राम जाने कैसे बनाएंगे अपना नाम forget it. Can you ask for some other film?
Yeah, yeah. Shamim 92 here wants to know, sending you lots of love from Malaysia and
Hi,
wants to
Shamim
know,
92.
have you ever felt that fanboy moment when you met another celebrity figure?
I was just telling the team here from Fame that I've never been a fan of anyone, which does not make me arrogant or pompous. It's not that. I've never had the opportunity really to. I said this last time also, I think. Fortunately or unfortunately, I became a star before I could become a fan. So I just did not have time. But having said that, there are people who I've loved on the sporting field. I still haven't met Mr. Milkha Singh. I'm a big fan of his. I'm a huge fan of Cassius Clay Muhammad Ali. I haven't met him. And then, of course, Bruce Jenner, who I'd like to meet now also, however she is. So I've not met any of them, but Michael Jackson, yeah. I met him in New York once, and I was again supposed to meet him in London. He was very sweet, very kind, and Madonna. These two people, I knew them in New York. I met them, and they were very kind. They came backstage, and I was performing once, and everyone took pictures. And I think, yeah, the fanboy moment would be that I forgot to take a picture. So I don't have a picture with Madonna and Michael Jackson. Everybody else there has, and I'm sure it's somewhere. I love them. I love both of them. Yeah.
So there's actually another question then. Have you ever taken an autograph from somebody?
Yes, I have. I have. The only autographs that I've ever taken in my life is in Delhi, near the Safdarjung tomb. There was a shooting going on of Mr. Vijayendra Ghatge and Sarup Sampat. These are the two autographs I took. They were shooting, I think, a television series or a movie. And I'd never met anybody else before. And my mom called me and I went there. So I have Mr. Vijayendra Ghatge's and Sarup Sampatji's autograph. I don't know where it is now, but that was the most cherishable autographs that I've had. Besides that, yes, I have my favorite. Oh yeah, I forgot. The first question, 5 favorite films. Okay, so T2 is amongst them. Terminator 2, Jaane Bhi Do Yaro, Mughal Azam. So on Mughal Azam, I have Dilip Saab's autograph. I have posters, original posters of these movies, which are outside my theatre in the house, and they're my most prized possessions. And Dilwale Dulhaniya, I have, of course, Yash Ji and the whole teams, Amit Ji's and Jaya Aunties, and I have Kuch Kuch, Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum, signed by all the people. I have to get Jaane Bhi Do Yaro, and one of my friends and one of the finest actors, Ravi Saab, is no more. And I really miss the fact that I don't have his autograph. And T2, I still have to get James Cameron and Arnold Schwarzenegger to sign it.
Okay. And among your fans, what do you prefer, autograph or selfie?
If it is asked for, and if they allow me to take the selfie, I like the selfie. And I don't mind the autographs also. I find autographs being a little more patient. You know, selfie, everybody just starts putting, it's all over the place, and my nose looks big, and everybody's got their own angle for a selfie. Some like it low, some like it. Nobody takes a selfie from the angle I want. So
what's your angle?
I just have to check it. It takes me a little while, and once I get it back and I look my sexy, good-looking self, and I go click. But you know, people take it from everywhere, and but I get really, really disturbed with this aspect of people taking pictures surreptitiously. You know, they just. I had this guy. I won't say where. Very awkward place, very wrong place, and I had this gentleman with a sorry, and a gentleman with a telephone like this taking pictures of mine, and he's making noises and acting as if it's coming from somewhere else. And I hope he just got his earlobe and didn't get any of my pictures. I hate that. And then when I'm in crowds, people push their cameras onto the face, and I tell everyone, please stand back. We'll do a selfie and we'll do it properly. But if it's done well, selfie is good, autographs as good or better.
Mm-hmm. So Deepthi wants to know, how many fans like Gaurav have you actually encountered in real life?
I've met some people like how Gaurav is, But the whole film hasn't unfolded yet. So Gaurav has a lot of things which I think Manish Sharma, the writer, and myself, we kind of developed out of stating the story. But yeah, to be obsessed and to be in love and to be absolutely genuinely in love with someone. I've met some people. I had this this lady who comes only once a year, very well dressed, very well turned out, and she comes and stands with a bouquet of flowers on my birthday or someday. I don't know. It's her anniversary of love with me. I don't know. Yeah, it's not my birthday. It's her anniversary of, I guess, meeting me first time or something. She comes quietly. She gives me the bouquet, gives me this really tight, warm, quiet hug, and just leaves me and walks away. And everybody stops because she walks in very gracefully, very quietly, all white all the time. And we never talk, we've never spoken, we never say a word. She just gives me a tight hug and goes away. Little eerie, but beautiful also.
So I've been instructed to be slightly louder and a little bit more in Hindi.
I have to say? Okay.
Slightly louder,
Okay,
if
you asked
possible. Me as well.
I have to be loud also?
Yes, please. Yeah,
Okay.
and a little bit more in Hindi.
Okay.
We will try to do this. Who is Aryan Khan a fan of? Is he an SRK fan? Your son.
My son, okay. I got confused. I thought Aryan Khanna you asking, sorry. हिंदी में बोलूं?
जी.
हाँ. नहीं, मेरे घर वाले कोई भी मेरे फैन नहीं. हमने उनको ऐसा ब्रिंग अप ही नहीं किया है कि पापा की फिल्म आ रही है, पापा की फिल्म आ रही है. और मेरे तीनों बच्चे जो हैं, उनको ये अलाउंस और फ्रीडम है कि मेरी फिल्म की रिलीज उनकी जिंदगी का सबसे बड़ा दिन है. सिर्फ दिन नहीं है, सिर्फ मेरा है. सो दे लाइक लॉट ऑफ पीपल. मैंने कभी पूछा नहीं उनसे. आई थिंक एक्ट्रेसेस मुझे वो बताएंगे नहीं, थोड़े से शर्मिंदा हो जाएंगे. सो दे वोंट टेल मी शी इज हॉट और समथिंग. वी डोंट टॉक लाइक दैट. Just out of respect, though I'm sure they must find some of the actors I work with extremely hot. बाकी fan-wise, he likes manga comics, और उसमें कुछ characters हैं जिसका वो बहुत बड़ा fan है. जैसे Death Note करके कोई, I don't know what it is, but उसमें character है Kai, उसमें character है Light. हमारे कुत्तों के नाम वही हैं, because वो इतना उनको प्यार करता है. और अभी recently, I think he must have outgrown Kai and Light. I hope so. And might have moved on to Jennifer Lawrence or some other beautiful, sexy, nice lady, hopefully. But he hasn't told me that yet. We've not named a dog after a famous, sexy girl yet.
One Black Coffee wants to know, आपका सबसे पहला fan encounter कौन सा रहा?
I don't know if they were fans, but ये मैंने अभी थोड़े दिन पहले ही किस्सा सुनाया था कि मैं 3-wheeler में जा रहा था और मेरा फौजी सीरियल रिलीज हो गया था. मुझे अभी भी याद है, वो पंचशील की मेन रोड थी और दो औरतें बैठी थी. आई थिंक माँ बेटी थी या दो बहनें थी, एक छोटी बहन एक बड़ी बहन. और मैं जा रहा था और सडनली उन्होंने 3-wheeler में चला अभिमन्यु राय. एंड हम काफी देर साथ में थे और वो चिल्लाती रही और बड़ी खुश हो गई. और तभी मुझको ऐसा लगा कि अगर मैं लोगों को खुश कर सकता हूँ सिर्फ एक छोटी सी बात से, तो मुझको एक्टर ही होना चाहिए. दैट्स द फर्स्ट टाइम आई वाज एवर रिकग्नाइज्ड एज अ कैरेक्टर ऑन स्क्रीन, टेलीविजन, ऑफ फिल्म और एनी अदर वे.
Do you want to just break things up a little bit and say hi to some people that you can see tuning in so that...
यहाँ देख के?
Yeah, please.
Okay. Dying Noor Faraheen. Hi. And Mahanur Khan, hello. And ये क्या नाम है ये? Dying Noor Faraheen.
Are you a fan of your fans? Love from Singapore.
Okay, from Singapore. That person whose name I can't say. And Churchit. When Dawn 3 अभी लिखी नहीं है, मतलब ऐसा मैंने सुना है, मैंने भी रूमर सुना है ट्विटर पे कि Dawn 3 लिखी जा रही है और हम शूट करने वाले हैं. लेकिन अभी मुझे कल एक्चुअली फरहान और रितेश मिलने आ रहे हैं, सो मे बी. श्रुति चले गई. एशिया पोलैंड. आर यू फैन ऑफ पोलैंड? मैं आया नहीं हूँ पोलैंड अभी तक. आई हैव नॉट बीन टू पोलैंड येट, बट आई लव टू कम. आई हर्ड इज ब्यूटीफुल एंड द पीपल आर रियली नाइस. एक बार मिस वर्ल्ड निथुल कृष्णा. हाय निथुल कृष्णा फ्रॉम लंडन. या God bless you and thank you for calling in or beaming in. Ravan 2, will you marry me? Of course, of course. Anyone who calls himself Ravan 2 is easier than, yeah. I already have Ravan 1, so you'll be my second wife. Kayusha Spring, you've just gone away, but love you. And Alicia Royal, what do you think about fan in Russian cinema? Oh yes, I'd love it to be in Russian cinema. Yashraj is distributing it, so hopefully I'm sure अगर वहाँ फिल्में आती हैं, they will send it to Russia. Darina for SRK, do you remember me?
From Malaysia.
Yes, Darina, I remember you. I met you if I'm not mistaken, coming in or going into a hotel lobby and you with your head covered, and yeah, I think I remember you. Yes, I remember. I think unless it's some other Darina, then I remember that Darina's hotel.
There's SRK Fatima who wants to know which Friends character are you a fan of? She's talking about the sitcom.
Oh, I like Phoebe. That's her name, Phoebe, the little slow one. I really like her. I like Joey also a lot. I like them all, Chandler, but I love Phoebe and Chandler and Joey. I think they're really nice. Yeah, I just recently saw some stuff about a month back, so it revived memories. They're fantastic. I mean, Phoebe's. मैंने उसका वो भी देखा जाके एक कॉलेज के अंदर ओपनिंग स्पीच फर्स्ट और गोइंग अवे क्या होता है वो पासिंग आउट स्पीच रियली नाइस रियली स्वीट आई फाइंड अ फैंटास्टिक.
Yafa from Israel wants to know what perfume do you use?
Diptyque, and I mix it with Dunhill, which you don't get normally. You have to go to a store, but you will still not smell as good as me because when it mixes with my sweat, the sexiness that comes out of it. Actually, both Dunhill and Diptyque are wanting to bottle my sweat, so I may be doing that. But yeah, I mix a lot of both colognes. Yeah.
So there's Donya from Sydney who's tuning in and wants to know, since you're a fan of Batman, do you think Batman kills the Joker at the end of The Killing Joke?
I've not understood this.
Do you think Batman killed Joker? Are you a fan of Batman?
Yeah.
Okay, so do you think that Batman killed Joker in the end of that classic novel? Are you of that opinion?
No, I don't think so. No. I think Joker
Donya.
can't die.
Donya's
Hi, Donya. I've not understood. We'll talk about this later because it's a very in-depth question about Batman. I recently haven't updated with Batman except for the movie that I'm waiting for. But yeah, if you know something about Joker being alive or dead, let me know. We'll find out.
Of all the films that won the Oscar this time, आपको सबसे ज़्यादा कौन सा पसंद है?
जो सारी फिल्में थी ऑस्कर की उनमें से मुझे सबसे अच्छी लगी स्पॉटलाइट. मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी. रेवेनेंट बहुत अच्छी थी, थोड़ी सी लंबी थी, इसलिए मैंने 2 भागों में देखी. एक दिन देखी फिर अगले दिन देखी. और बाकी फिल्मों के नॉमिनेशन में मुझे आई डोंट नो इफ क्रीड वाजंट नॉमिनेटेड. आई थिंक मुझे वो फिल्म बहुत अच्छी लगी, बट देन आई एम अ रॉकी फैन, सो मे बी बिकॉज उसका रिवाइवल हुआ. और रूम बहुत डर सा गया था मैं, बहुत ही घुटन महसूस हो रही थी शुरू में से. और कौन सी? हाँ, द डेनिश गर्ल वाज नाइस. इट वाज लिटिल discomforting at times, to say the least, but really an amazing story, and it's a true story, so it was really shocking that reality always is. Yeah, so for my favorite would be Spotlight. I like Spotlight a lot.
Okay, Aditya is from Mumbai, so हम हिंदी में बात कर सकते हैं. Any emotional moment that you've had with a fan recently?
अरे मेरे जन्मदिन पे बहुत सारे लोग आते हैं मुझसे मिलने के लिए, और उनमें से कुछ मैं अज्यूम करता हूँ बहुत प्यार करते हैं, और फिर वो मुझे मैसेजेस भी भेजते रहते हैं और बहुत कदर से मिलते हैं मेरे को, जो मुझे लगता है थोड़ा सा ऑकवर्ड है, क्योंकि हमारे घर के अंदर ऐसा मानना नहीं है कि हम एक दूसरे के पाँव पड़ते हैं या झुक कर मिलते हैं. हमसे सलाम करते हैं, हेलो कहते हैं, नमस्कार करते हैं. तो जब कुछ लोग आते हैं तो बड़ा इमोशनली मिलते हैं मुझको. कोलकाता में हमारे एक फ़ैन है, वो हर मैचेस में भी आते हैं और मेरे कपड़े पहन के आते हैं, यहाँ पे भी आते हैं. बहुत प्यार से मिलते हैं. ऐसे मिलते हैं जैसे मैं उनकी ज़िंदगी का एक जेन्युइन अंग हूँ और हर रोज़ उनके साथ रहता हूँ. और उस बात से बहुत खुशी होती है कि कहीं ना कहीं उनको कुछ ना कुछ मार्गदर्शन मिलता है मुझसे. लेकिन वो जो इमोशन से मिलते हैं, रोते हैं कई बार गले मिल के, तो तो बहुत एनकाउंटर होता है. जन्मदिन पे अमूमन ज़्यादा होता है.
सागर ठक्कर पूछ रहे कि आप मेरे साथ गौरव जैसा तो नहीं करोगे ना?
सागर ठक्कर पूछ रहे हैं कि मैं उनके साथ ऐसा नहीं करूंगा जैसे गौरव ने आर्यन खन्ना के साथ किया. मतलब कि मैं तुम्हारा मैड फैन बन जाऊंगा.
The other way around.
अरे राम कि मैं आपके साथ वैसा, मैंने कुछ भी नहीं किया गौरव के साथ. मैं बहुत अच्छा और जेंटल सा इंसान हूँ, तो मुझसे कोई स्पेशली वो जेल का सीन है. आई डोंट नो, ट्रेलर देख के आप लोगों को समझ आता है कि नहीं आता है. वो जेल में कॉन्वर्सेशन, वार्तालाप हो रही है गौरव और आर्यन खन्ना की, और जेल में अगर कभी मुझसे मिलोगे और ऐसे हमारी कोई बातचीत हो रही होगी तो मैं तुमसे बहुत अच्छा व्यवहार करूंगा. मैं ऐसा हूँ नहीं जेल के. जेल में मैं बहुत हम्बल और नाइस और काइंड होता हूँ. मैं तुम्हारे साथ बिल्कुल ऐसा, मैं किसी के साथ ऐसा व्यवहार नहीं करूंगा.
Tejas wants to know, who's that one person from whom Shah Rukh Khan takes advice from?
Tejas, I wish there was someone. I wouldn't make so many mistakes and be so stupid at times. There's not very many people. I don't interact with too many people, except the people who are my friends in terms of making my work go forward. They manage my work. There's Karuna, there's Pooja, there's Venki. So I meet them, Kareem, and they're all friends actually. And some one way or the other, we can just bounce ideas. But I've never really seeked advice. I've never been a seeker of advice. Maybe I should start. It's a good idea. I should listen to other people.
Being such a close follower of Yash Chopra's movies, one movie of his that you wish you were a part of?
Who asked this?
Arshad 29.
Arshad 29, hi. Diwar, I think. That was fantastic. I think Diwar was really, really nice. A lot of people would argue maybe Kabhi Kabhi, but I've done romantic films with him. And Dar, I was part of it. I think, according to me, two of the most... he's made some really wonderful films, Waqt and everything, but I think the two films that I think he's very special for is Diwar and Dar. And Diwar would have been really nice.
So I, Keshav, is requesting if you would say the dialogue from Raees that we've seen on the the teaser so far. So, Baniye ki dimag aur miyan ka dimag.
You say it once. She's saying it, Baniye ki dimag aur miyan bhai ki.
South Indian accent.
मैं उसका बिगनिंग के लिए अम्मी जान
बनिए का दिमाग और मियाँ
उतना तो आता है, वो तो लिखा है, वो पहले की लाइन कह रही जान कहती थी कोई धंधा छोटा नहीं होता और धंधे से बड़ा कोई धर्म नहीं होता. हाँ, आई थिंक ऐसा है. नहीं है तो ऐसा करूंगा मैं जाके. अम्मी जान कहती थी कोई भी धंधा छोटा नहीं होता और धंधे से बड़ा कोई धर्म नहीं होता. बनिए का दिमाग मियाँ भाई की डेट. इतना याद है मुझे.
Are you a fan of Taekwondo? I saw a picture that you have from a long time ago. Do you like it because of your kids doing it? Greetings from Germany.
Hi, greetings from Germany. I like all kinds of sports. Yes, I got introduced to Taekwondo because of my son and daughter both do it, practice it, and are very good at it actually. Even if I may say so, I think they won some state level stuff. And then I am the ambassador of goodwill to South Korea. And I think a part of that was to give me the black belt. I have the honorary Taekwondo black belt as a goodwill ambassador to Korea. It's here somewhere in my library. And but I don't know Taekwondo. My son and daughter were both very disturbed. They worked so many years to get their black belt, and I just got it at a function while having coffee. So I like Taekwondo. I think it's really good. Any sport is damn good, but yeah, Taekwondo because of my kids. And there's a lady called Kiran who was in Dhirubhai Ambani school, an amazing coach. And she's running some coaching classes in Mumbai. So kids, if you want to learn Taekwondo, go to Kiran.
So Joanne says it's her birthday today, and her question for you is, are you a fan of Paulo Coelho, and what is your favorite book of his if you are?
Yes, Joanne, and it was very kind of him for him to tweet me and message me and send me I think it's here. Is it The Alchemist?
Alchemist?
No, he sent me a limited edition, leather-bound Alchemist. No, one here. He sent me one special one. It's lying in my safe. I've kept it in my vault so I don't lose it. But yeah, he's written some really nice books. I've read lots of his books. But Alchemist being the most popular one, and if you haven't started it, reading Paulo Coelho, it's time to do it. I think everyone, once in a lifetime, should get hooked on to Paulo Coelho and read his books. Fantastic guy. And I'm dying to meet him. I hope sometime he's in London. I can go and say hi to him.
So Rags wants to know, do you remember the first time you found out that you had a fan club, or आपने react कैसे किया?
I may be a little mistaken, Rags, but मुझे जब पहली बार मालूम पड़ा, मुझे लगता है कोलकाता में फैन क्लब सबसे पहले शुरू हुआ था. और मेरा एक पुतला बनाया था जैसे मैडम टू सॉक्स पे होता है. और मैं जब गया कोलकाता, और ये कोलकाता नाइट राइडर्स से पहले की बात है, जब वहाँ गया तो उन लड़कों ने और लड़कियों ने, और जब अभी भी फैन क्लब चलाते हैं, उन्होंने वो पुतला मुझको गिफ्ट दिया था, जो मैं लेकर भी आया था. बड़े दिन लगे थे और मेरे गार्डन में पड़ा भी रहा था, और अभी भी कहीं पर है नीचे हमारे जहाँ पे सब सामान पड़ा रहता है. सो हाँ, that was the first fan club. So thank you Kolkata fan clubs, and thank you Kerala fan club, and Chennai fan club, and Germany fan club, and Spanish fan club, and Japanese, and those I'm not mentioning don't tweet, you did not mention my name and stuff. Okay, I love you all. SRK Universe, all of you guys. Thank you very much.
Arshad Hussain says SRK is an Avengers fan. Which Avenger would SRK like to turn for a day and why? And moreover, have you seen the Project Bezar video, Main Tera Fan, which you recently tweeted?
I saw the video. What's his name?
As Arshad Hussain.
Arshad, hi. I'm not such an Avengers fan yet, so I would not know what character to play out of it. But Arshad, I saw that video where the boys are singing and doing my poses. Really nice. It was really, really nice, yeah. That's why I think I retweeted it. Because, you know, recently I've seen so many of the videos, and thank you very much for everyone doing Jabra fan ho gaya, Jabra fan ho gaya. As a matter of fact, जब वैभवी मैं और मनीष ये गाना कर रहे थे, we never thought कि उसकी steps जो होंगी किसी को समझ भी आएंगी कि they do it. But I noticed people have made some really nice steps out of it, so thank you very much. And as and when I'm seeing them, I'm retweeting them. Some of them I might have missed because there's so many of them. But I keep looking for them actually, and so thank you very much. It's very heartening to see people dancing with gay abandon. I've always thought dancing should be completely free of anything, bindings of steps, mainly also because I can't for the life of me learn steps. So it is really nice that you guys are doing it, and yeah, I saw that video, and thank you very much for making that video and taking so much effort.
I am Chan says nice bookshelf.
I am?
Chan.
Hi Chan. Thank you. And you haven't seen, this is only the 1/10 of it. A lot of books.
Can we give a big shout out to Gundeep Talwar, who's spamming the screen right now?
So what we did, big shout out to Gundeep Talwar, that's what you say?
Yeah. Hi Gundeep.
Hi Gundeep, how are you? And this is my big shout out to you. I've never understood, what does shout out mean? Just sing hi.
Say hello to them, yeah.
Hi Gundeep.
You mentioned that you're a fan of Steve Jobs. Any chance of a biopic of his in your life? Charu
How many
says.
to make? How many to make? Charu.
Yeah.
Charu, they've already been made. I really love this one also, the new one. That was very good. I forgot to mention that. The Ashton Kutcher one was okay. But yeah, they made so many, and no, I hardly look like Steve Jobs. I mean, even with a black polo neck, I don't think I look like Steve Jobs. I've read his books, the main book that was written on him, and I kind of perhaps have changed my way of thinking about the business I do. Not completely like him, but I realized that one needs to focus on few of them. So the day I finished book, lots of people lost job in Red Chillies because we closed down television and we will concentrate only on one core product, and that's what we've been doing on VFX and film. So, but I think it's nice to be like that. I enjoyed his life story, really nice.
You recently tweeted about being a Rajnikant fan. क्या आप उनके style को imitate कर सकते हो?
I've done it already in Lungi Dance. I like the way he walks. I can't show it right now because I'm sitting. But
Angur Dedo is asking you, can you please do your signature step, please? Which is of course.
Angur Dedo, this will be a little. ऐसे ही करता हूँ बस इतना था इतना देख लो वो जगह छोड़ी थोड़ी सी तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम बाकी इमेजिन कर ले
Are you a fan of food? What does somebody need to cook to impress you?
I'm not a fan of food at all. I'm not food. Actually, I believe I love food the most because I can eat anything. But having said that, I'm not a big fan of food. I think all creative people that I know have been great fans of food. But I'm not, so maybe I'm not creative enough. I don't know. But मुझे खाने की कोई आपत्ति नहीं है कि कौन सा खाना किस वक्त मिल जाए, कैसा मिल जाए. और मुझे हर खाना अच्छा लगता है. बहुत कम 2-3 साल में एक बार शायद मैंने कभी एक खाने के वक्त बोला होगा कि यार ये टेस्टी नहीं है. मुझे हर चीज़ अच्छी लगती है. मेरे को अगर रबर पे भी थोड़ा सॉस और नमक डाल के दे दो मैं खा लूँगा और कहूँगा अच्छा ही था. So I have not much, I don't know, it must be my taste buds, but and my food is very boring. What I eat is the same food in the morning, in the afternoon, at night. I have cooks who've left my house because they got so bored cooking for me. We had a chef and one day he said, साहब मैं जा रहा हूँ. I said क्यों? He said मैं इतना अच्छा शेफ हूँ, मैं स्पेशली अपनी अच्छी नौकरी छोड़ के आपके पास आया. आप तो कुछ और खाते नहीं, सेम चीज़ खाते.
Which is?
So, which is just chicken and sprouts and broccoli and once in a way chicken which is differently heated. Otherwise it's the same stuff. And the whole day I eat the same thing.
Antara पूछ रही है, growing up, whose posters did you have in your room?
Antara, hi. और जब मैं बड़ा हो रहा था, Cheryl Ladd करके एक lady थी. I don't know who she is, but she was in a bikini. So I had a poster. Samantha Fox. I know who she is, and she was also in a bikini. Actually, denim shorts. I got to know a magazine called People because of her. I've heard it's a famous magazine, People's People. So uske cover pe thi Australian. I still remember it. God, I must be really, really infatuated with them. And AXA. I don't know if you guys have ever read the comic AXA. This really Amazonian, sexy comic lady. Uska poster tha. Let me just put in one sports guy also, so it doesn't look like that I was a perv. Yeah, I had. No, I had only these girls posters. Sorry.
Anuj Dutt wants to know, how do you deal with it when a movie doesn't do as well as you expected it to?
Anuj Dutt, there's no dealing with it. Yeah, I've explained this. There's a simple way to deal with any kind of letdown, failure, sadness. It's very simple. Go to your bathroom, cry for a couple of hours, take a bath so that nobody else knows that you've cried. Put eye drops in your eyes, come back and look cheerful and start the next one. It's as simple as that. So whenever you fail, just cry a little bit. It's nice. Cry a little bit. That's it. Nothing else to do. You can't do anything. And as a matter of fact, it's the sadness is not about the business. Sadness is you believed you could make a lot of people happy with the film and you failed in making them as happy. And at my stage of life, 25 years into films, that's more important than anything else. I'm like, I'll have to spend another year trying to make lots of people happy. So it's very disheartening, very sad. But you just need to keep quiet, take a bath and cry in it.
Lekha wants to know 5 things you'd advise someone who is your fan not to do.
Lekha. Hi Lekha. The 5 things I would advise, yes, I find it very undignified to abuse on social media, because, you know, I have some really simple guys who saying mother, behn, teri behn ki, teri maa ki, teri beti ki, ye kar dunga, wo kar dunga. Gali not in front and with no name and face is not a gali. It's a sign of cowardice and really should not do. So I would suggest everyone on Instagram, I haven't done it for a long time, sorry, and Twitter and Facebook, don't abuse people. It's not nice. And then please don't abuse in capital letters. That's even worse. Because that's like screaming out a bhen ki gali and it makes no sense if you can't say it to a person. Second thing, I'm saying this because we are on social network right now. The second thing is be gentle with women, love them, don't misbehave with them in real life. I get very disturbed when I hear people are teasing women or passing comments. And normally it's a sign of weakness because I find जो लड़के हैं वो ग्रुप में खड़े होकर करते हैं, अकेले नहीं करते हैं. तो अकेले करने की जिस चीज़ में हिम्मत ना हो वो ना करें. तीसरी चीज़, एक बात याद रखें लाइफ के अंदर कि you can't make yourself by breaking others. You know, you can't repair yourself by breaking others. So don't be doing aggressive or violent things against people just because you think you'll be able to convince someone of your idea. If you have to cover your face to do something, 100% it is wrong. Know that. It's a simple rule. कि अगर छुप कर कुछ कर रहे हो तो फिर वो मुंह छुपा कर कुछ कर रहे हो तो गलत ही है. Eat in moderation. Yeah. ज़्यादा खाना मत खाओ. Overeating is not good. Otherwise you can be excessive about everything that you do. And I'm not. हो गए 5? Yeah, and be happy.
Sayani is from Kolkata and she can't avoid this question. Is there anything about Kolkata that you are a fan of?
Hi Sayani. Yes, I love Kolkata. Actually, that's the only place. I said मुझे खाना पसंद नहीं है, but मुझे वहाँ का खाना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Desserts बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. अभी मैं recently गया था एक shooting पे, अपना हम ad बना रहे थे कोलकाता के लिए, तो वहाँ पे बड़ा अच्छा मुझको हमारी जो एयर होस्टेस थी उन्होंने स्पेशली कोलकाता की स्वीट्स खिलाई मुझे, संदेश और सब. मुझे बड़ा टेस्टी लगता है वो. बट अगेन इन मॉडरेशन, जब जाता हूँ तब खाता हूँ, मंगा नहीं लेता. काजल ऑन दी अदर हैंड 2-4 किलो लेकर गई थी जब हम आ गए थे. एंड आई लव ईडन गार्डन्स, एंड नॉट बिकॉज जस्ट KKR. आई लव ईडन गार्डन. द रीजन आई केम टू कोलकाता इज ईडन गार्डन. इट्स रियली ब्यूटीफुल. एंड उसके अराउंड जो एरिया है, जो पार्क्स हैं, एंड yeah, and there are lots of things about Kolkata. I like the buzz, the liveliness there, and Avik Sarkar, and Mamta Di gives me some really nice fish to eat, and Avik Babu gives me some really nice. He's very, very cultivated and very, it's very proper when you go and eat and spend time with him. So I love spending time with him there. So many things about Kolkata.
I am Lina, who won a contest on Fame today. Lina. Please tell us about a gadget that you're a fan of.
I am Lina. Hi. Gadget that I'm a fan of. Yeah. The hoverboard, yeah.
Doing some interesting stuff on
I taught him. Please let's not get too carried away. I didn't handstand. No, it's I like that. It's really cool. It's really cool. I have a new one now. It's called Figo. A friend of mine presented it to me. They make it in India, and I'm riding it. It's a Segway come. You can go on sand and all. I'm still practicing it. I like that. Yeah, that gadget is really really cool. And I have a. It's a toy. It's not a gadget. It's a green dinosaur, and it moves and it does all. I play with a Brahma. It's very realistic. So eyes go all red and all, but if you pet it, they go pink. I love it. It's very nice. Very realistic. Very, very realistic.
Neha wants to know a singer that you're a fan of, and can you sing a line of a song that's on your playlist right now?
Playlist. पता है मेरा पता है क्या हो गया ये playlist का? Sneha?
Last time we did. This is Neha. I'm Sneha.
Neha. Sorry. Okay.
Chaya Chaya and Gerua happened last time.
Yeah, थे ना ऊपर वो क्या नेहा मेरी जो प्लेलिस्ट है ना उसका एक कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो गया है कि वो ना कुछ iCloud में ही रहती है जब मैं प्ले करना चाहता हूँ वो प्ले नहीं होती एक जमाना था कि मेरे लैपटॉप में होती थी और जैसी होती थी वैसे ही दबाव तो बचती थी अब वो कुछ टाइम लेती है सो आई डोंट नो द सॉन्ग इफ आई हैव इट बाकी मेरे फेवरेट सिंगर बिली जोएल मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं मैं सिंगर्स इतना पहचानता नहीं सोनू निगम बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं और जिन्होंने मेरे लिए गाया उनके बारे में बात नहीं करता सभी अच्छे लगते हैं उदित नारायण जी अभिजीत वगैरह बट आई थिंक बिली जोएल आई रियली लाइक एंड माइकल जैक्सन आई लव्ड एज आई सेड एंड ब्रायन एडम्स I just like the way Run to You and all. I love the way he sang. I love Tracy Chapman. I think she's am I right? Lisa?
Fast car?
I'm really
It's
bad.
a tough song to sing.
Okay, so it's not tough for me, but I'm sur nahi lag raha hai. But I'll tell you a song from my playlist. See, it says an error occur. I'm having issues with this playlist thing. दिनों से मैंने नहीं देखी है क्योंकि आ नहीं रही है मेरे पास एक अपनी प्लेलिस्ट मैंने बनाई थी कुछ 7 सालों पहले जिसमें सारे मेरे फेवरेट गाने हैं लेकिन वो ही नहीं मिलती है मुझको कुछ बियॉन्से ब्लेक शेल्टन ब्रिटनी स्पीयर्स ये सब ब्रूनो मार्स टाइप है यहाँ पे मेरी जो है ना वो प्लेलिस्ट गुम गई है नेक्स्ट टाइम व्हेन आई कम ऑन फेम आई प्रॉमिस यू बिफोर वी स्टार्ट आई एम गोना फिगर दिस आउट गो टू माय ओल्ड लैपटॉप टेक डाउन माय प्लेलिस्ट एंड प्ले सम सॉन्ग्स फॉर यू गाइस आई हैव द वर्ल्ड्स मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल देयर इज अ बटन सेज प्लेलिस्ट शुड आई सी दैट Maybe that's why. No, it's not. No, it's not. Oh, I think, one second. No, it's not. It just says purchase music, 90s music, which has nothing. No.
Chaya Chaya is still on the top.
These are the only songs that are coming. There's no other song. It's been like last month we did this. Yeah, there's no other songs are coming. I have to I'll figure this out. I want to crack this. My favorite gadget has to be the iPhone playlist settings now.
Who would be your dream dinner guest, alive or dead?
I'd like them to be alive. If they're coming for dinner.
That's not what I meant.
If they're dead, then we have no conversation while having dinner. My favorite dinner guest. मैं बड़ा unsocial सा हूँ एक का नाम लूँगा तो फिर सब बुरा मान जाएंगे तो give me some suggestions. What kind of
Hitler, Mahatma Gandhi.
Please don't take me to zones where I'll get into controversies. I don't like him.
Mahatma Gandhi, Madhuri, Rekha ji.
I'm trying to play it safe.
Abraham.
Abraham? Perfect. Yeah, my favorite dinner guest would be Abraham, live, and talking and chatting. Actually, he is my favorite dinner time friend and he's my favorite waste of time. I just sit down with him and yeah, I love eating food with him. I just had, as a matter of fact, an hour ago when I came back from the shoot, I sat and ate with him and it's really nice because I can eat really messily and still look better than him because he's messier. So you can drop stuff on yourself and be all dirty. We had oranges just now and we peeled and I threw out the seeds and he was throwing the. Yeah, it's very nice to have dinner with him. I look really good.
Okay. Unfortunately, it's time to go. So I think they miss your finger on the screen. Do you want to scroll a little bit and just say bye to everybody?
So how long is it? Isn't it too short?
Yeah. And also,
Only that much we don't do long. Itne paison mein itna hi.
one last question, because Women's Day is tomorrow. A woman that, or women that you're particularly fond of or fan of?
All of you. Whatever it takes to give me hugs from all the women in the world, I'm a fan of all the women in the world. I love each one of you equally, absolutely, and you are the only girl that I love, all of you. And I'm being honest. And then more power to women, more strength to women, and more freedom to women to make their choices and do the stuff that they want to do. Please keep doing whatever you feel like, because there is nothing better than women. I've said this millions of times. I mean, if I liked women anymore, I would love to be a woman myself. But the beard and all won't be nice. I don't like beard on women. Actually, that also I like. It doesn't make a difference. A woman with a beard is also beautiful. So every woman is beautiful, and I wish you lots of happiness. And I want to thank every woman in the world on this Women's Day, because it is the most important day of the year in every which way. God bless you. Be happy. If somebody's broken your heart, if somebody's wronged you, forgive them as you do always. Move on and rule the world, because without you, the world is incomplete. And scroll some and say hi.
Yeah, and lots of people celebrating their birthdays today. I know that Anupma is. Do you want to just wish them?
Yeah, happy birthday, Anupama. And I'm sure Anil somewhere is also celebrating his birthday. I'm sure Sanjay is doing it.
Joanna is celebrating.
Joanna is doing it. Abdul is doing it. Rahim is doing it. And Priyanka is doing it. Ravi is doing
Sneha
it.
safe as
Sneha is doing it. Rahul is doing it. And Christina is doing it somewhere. So for A, Atul, B, Benaifa, C, Catherine, D, Dolly, E, Ethan, E, F, Falguni, Fardeen, G, Gaurav, H, Hitesh and Hiten and Harminder, I, Inder, J, Joseph and Janvi, and K, Karan and Kiran, and Kostav, L, Lekha, yeah, Lekha and Lekhi and Lallan somewhere, M, Muhammad, Mansoor, Manita, N, Neelam, Nisa, Neeraj, O, Othello, I'm sure, Om Kara, Om, and Omi, P, Parvati, and Piali, and Parvez, Q, Qureshi Saab, wherever you are, and the Queen of England, whenever your birthday. R, Ramesh, बहुत होंगे, Rajesh, Raj and Rahul, S, Shahrukh, Sanjay, Smita, Samantha, Fox, T, Tejinder, Tejpal, Tanya, very especially to you, Urvashi, Urmila, and Urmila, happy wedding too. V, Varun, Vashisht, and Vardhan. W. Veona from Shrek, and this finger is wrong.
Yes, I'm trying to tell you.
Sorry, okay. Wendy, and W, V,
X,
X-Men, all of them. And next women, because it's Women's Day. So all of you, happy birthday. And Y, Yesudas, Saab,
Yafa.
And Yashwant, and
Yafa.
Z say Zahira, Zara, and Zindabad. Happy birthday to all of you, wherever you are.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yashwant. and
Yafa.
Z say Zahira, Zara, and Zindabad. Happy birthday to all of you, wherever you are.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yashwant, and
Yafa.
Z say Zahira, Zara, and Zindabad. Happy birthday to all of you, wherever you are.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.